How to find draft post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved draft post on Facebook using the latest update. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, if you have ever wrote a post and didn't publish it, then a draft post is something that you start but you didn't post. Like, it may be a caption, photo, post, or status. Facebook does not always make it obvious where this draft are, so let's find it. So here what you can do is, let's say if you are making a post on something and you left it, then here what you can do is just tap on save as draft, and here once you're done with that, if you go back to your feed and tap on this option, what's on your mind, then here in this section you'll find that same draft that you have saved earlier. So with that, you can simply finalize the post and simply post it on your Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can find a draft post on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.